Okay guys, a happy Sunday evening to you all. And a couple days ago, you might remember I did a video regarding this top, and I'm not really sure where it came from. It could be a Seiko, it could be MME, it could be Chinese. I have no idea where this top came from, but I do know one thing. Nobody wasn't happy with the way it fit. And I know a lot of you guys have these same issues with this particular top. And like I mentioned before, I can understand why they make them this way. All they're concerned about is coverage. They don't care if it fits very well, if it's form-fitted. They just want a top over a Humvee, and it doesn't matter how it fits or what it looks like. So what I did was, as you can see here, if you saw the other video, I actually cut this rear flap off. I put a binding around it. I moved it up 1 inch so that what that does is it pulls the top back. And on the front, I put a new bead on there, and I took off 1 inch off the front, which pulled the top that way. So now we're looking at about 1 3/4, 1.5, 1 3/4 inches is probably what I gained in doing that. And also what I did here, which I do on my own tops, and it really makes it a lot easier to adjust these tops, is there's 6 straps here that go around your C-pillar, and you're able to pull that back and make it nice and tight. Then go ahead and put on your grips. Also, what I did, I'll show you inside. Let's take a walk around this top. Now you may remember the inside was sagging very low. And now I put on the B-pillar straps, and using the original Velcro because it wasn't that far off. But you can see back here on the C-pillar the new straps that I added. There's 6 of them here, okay? And again, on the crossover tube in the front, it's the same. I trimmed it because it was way too long, which made it more difficult to adjust. By taking a little bit off the front, I had to move the grommet. These were way down here somewhere on both sides, so I had to move them back up here, put new binding on it, cut the rain gutter back. I have to seal that because it was way out here. And you can see it looks a lot better. Let's see if I can get you up on top. And that's a far cry from where it was pooling water. In fact, you remember it had water up there. There was a couple of lakes. And that was just from dew, condensation. It hadn't even rained here. So, and again, looking at that rear flap, it's a lot better. So, there you go. It can be done. These tops can be adjusted. And you can do it at home yourself. Go to your nearest sewing center and buy a sewing machine, industrial strength, about 1,500 bucks, and have at it. Anyway, guys, I'm just funning with you. But if you have one of these, you have a problem with it, give me a jingle.